Welcome to Bliss Cars, where today we're taking a trip down memory lane to explore the fascinating history of one of the most iconic automotive brands in the world, Toyota. Stay back and please subscribe, like, share, and comment to my channel and videos respectively. Early years. Our story begins in 1937 when Toyota Motor Corporation was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda. Originally, the company focused on producing automatic looms, but Kiichiro had a vision to enter the automotive industry. In 1935, they introduced their first prototype car, the A1, marking the start of Toyota's journey in the world of automobiles. Post-war challenges. After World War II, Japan faced significant challenges in rebuilding its economy. Toyota, adapting to the times, released the Toyopet Crown, its first mass-produced car, in 1955. This marked the beginning of Toyota's international expansion. Innovation and efficiency. The 1960s saw Toyota's commitment to innovation with the introduction of the compact Corolla and the sporty 2000 GD. However, it was in the 1970s that Toyota revolutionized the industry with the introduction of the fuel-efficient and reliable Corolla, becoming a global bestseller. Lexus and luxury. In the late 1980s, Toyota ventured into the luxury market with the creation of the Lexus brand. The Lexus LS400, introduced in 1989, set new standards for quality and craftsmanship. Hybrid revolution. The 21st century marked a significant turning point for Toyota with the introduction of the Prius in 1997, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. This move solidified Toyota's commitment to environmental sustainability. Global dominance. Toyota's relentless pursuit of quality, innovation, and efficiency catapulted the company to become the world's largest automaker. Models like the Camry, RAV4, and Tacoma consistently topped sales charts. Future focus. As we move into the present day, Toyota continues to lead the charge in green technology, autonomous driving, and innovative mobility solutions. Their commitment to sustainability is evident in the development of hydrogen fuel cell technology and electric vehicles. Conclusion, and there you have it, a snapshot of Toyota's remarkable journey from a modest beginning to a global automotive giant. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating stories from the world of automobiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.